Welcome to Slow Home Studio. October is Bathroom Design Month, and today we're talking about how to properly locate your bath hardware.
You wouldn't think that this is something that really needed to have a whole episode devoted to it, but I have to say it really does. When we go into houses, invariably there's a huge problem with the way in which these things are placed.
Well, the problem is people either put them in totally the wrong location, or they're just mounted at the wrong height, and there are standards for this. And if you don't follow the standards, you end up with situations like this.
You found some hilarious pictures.
Look at that. I've seen this a lot of times. It's where the towel bars is placed above the toilet roll holder, and of course the two collide. I mean, this is what it looks like when you step back.
Isn't that just lovely?
It's terrible. I mean, they haven't mounted this at the right height, and of course the toilet roll holder is in the dead wrong position.
Yeah, and then of course we've got the dreaded towel ring.
I hate towel rings to start with. I just can't stand them. But then this one's too high.
That's right. It's too high, and it's too close to the medicine cabinet. And then these hooks are just up, and they're too close to the sink. So how are you actually going to use that? I mean, it's just a velour nightmare.
It's terrible. And then this one, this is someone's brilliant idea of where to place their towel bar in the bathroom. I mean, that's great. Let's just mount a long towel bar underneath the medicine cabinet so that his and her sinks dangle onto the countertop.
And this, I've got to say, is the worst. There's the toilet roll holder is behind it, so you've got to reach behind, and you have to be right-handed in order to be able to do that with any kind of elegance. Of course, I'm left-handed, so this would just not work for me at all. So now let's look at the right way to deal with these issues.
So you want to spread them out, and you want to look at where your longest walls are, and your longest wall is where you want to put your towel bar, and your shortest wall is where you want to put your towel hooks, and those can go closer together.
And you want to get that toilet roll holder on the side.
Around the corner, out of view. And then there's a bit of storage also above your toilet, which is not a bad location. That's a good spot for those hotel-style racks. And they should be mounted 48 inches above the floor because you don't want the towel on the bottom to dangle and hit the tank of the toilet.
No, and you don't want to hit your head. I've got one of those in my bathroom, and I really like that. The other thing is, and this is a little trick that we use all the time, put the toilet roll holder on the side of the millwork and mount it about 20 inches up. So just a little bit below the top of the tub.
Yeah, it's brilliant. And then, of course, your towel, your rope hooks, you want to make sure they're 70 inches above the floor. And if you're putting more than one, they need to be 9 inches apart because otherwise the robes will hit each other. And your towel bar you need to put on your longest wall, and it needs to be 42 inches above the floor, and maximize the length of it to go wall to wall.
So remember, bathroom fixed hardware is one of the most important parts of a bathroom design, and if you don't do it right, we're going to come and make fun of it.
See you next time.